morning to all my dear students. So students, today I will take the revision part of your lesson number 3 noun with the explanation note that I have given to you. Okay. So here I will explain each part that we have learned till now in the lesson number 3 nouns, and the PDF notes I will send it to you. Okay, later. Okay. So nouns. What do you mean by nouns? Nouns are called naming words. Nouns are called naming words. The names of people, places, animals and things are called noun. Okay. So you already know till now because we learn about noun in the parts of speech also, and here also I explain so many times what do you mean by noun. The things that is having the name is noun. Okay, the name of people, place, animals and things are called noun. So nouns are classified into the following groups. Now see here how many groups the noun is classified. The first one that is given in your book: proper and common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun, number noun, that is we say the singular and plural noun, compound noun, that is not given in your book but for your knowledge I have given here, and gender of noun, the masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender, and noun with a possessive form. So all these parts you have to learn. Okay, all this part that is given inside in your lesson number 3 noun you have to learn. What the content I have given in the this your portion, exam portion, is the little one, but you have to learn all this noun, and on the basis of this you will get the question in your exam. Okay students, now let's see. First is proper and common noun. So what do you mean by proper and common noun? Proper noun names specific things when we are talking about any particular or specific things. So at that time we use the proper noun. Particular things or specific things. Okay, it always begins with a capital letter, uppercase, no matter where they appear in a sentence. So it doesn't matter अगर आपका जो प्रॉपर नाउन है सेंटेंस के बीच में भी आ रहा है तो तब भी वो कैपिटल ही रहेगा. ओके, इफ आई राइट हियर अमेरिका, सो वी विल राइट अमेरिका लाइक दिस. द ए शुड बी ए कैपिटल. ओके, understood? So here some example is here. The London is on river Thames. The red fort is made of red stone. I was born in November. River, Thames, London. Okay, red fort, November. So these are the proper noun. Okay, now come to the common noun. Common noun names general things. So opposite to the proper noun, we are talking about the common or general things. Common or general things. Okay, so it begins with small letter or lower case. ठीक है, वो small letter से ही शुरू होगा. But what is there? It is capitalized when they occur in the beginning of the sentence. अगर वो beginning से start हो रहा है, if I say Raju is a boy, so I will see I put the capital letter R here. Raju is a good boy. Okay, good boy. So I will write the capital letter, first letter. Raju is a proper noun. Sorry. So like this you have to write it down. Whatever thing is like it. इससे शुरू कर रहे हैं तो. So whatever in way you are starting the letter should be a capital letter. Okay. Now come to the collective noun. What do you mean by collective noun? A words that stand for a collection of people, group of things. When we are talking about group of things, that we call the collective noun. Name that refer to a group of people, places, animals or things are called collective noun. Okay. Now come to the material noun. Material noun, what do you mean by material noun? The name given to material from which things are made are called material noun. जो भी material है, चीज़ें हैं जिससे और कोई चीज़ बनती है, वुड है, फ्लोर है, स्टील है, सिल्वर है, आयरन है. ओके, so many things, bronze are there. Okay, like this in which the things are made. Okay, which make the floor like this. If in any material the things are made, that we call the material noun. Okay, now what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are names of things that we can say think and feel but cannot see or touch. हम इसको छू नहीं, मतलब छू नहीं सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते, मगर इसको फील कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं. सो लाइक स्टेट, क्वालिटी और फीलिंग, जैसे चाइल्डहुड, ऑनर, सच बोलना, दुखी होना. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस द नेम ऑफ द थिंग्स. नाउ कम टू द काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, in which the quantifiers we use are used to indicate the number, amount or quantity of things in countable and uncountable noun, and these are the quantifiers we are using in the sentence. Okay, so I have given some example, you have to see it clearly. Okay, now come to the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun are things that can be counted in this, countable noun. Here the quantifier is here, and first we see the countable noun that can be counted in numbers. Okay, counted in numbers, they have singular and plural verb. ये वाला verb ज़्यादा use होता है इसमें. और these are the quantifiers, these are your singular noun and the plural noun. countable noun में singular और plural दोनों use होते हैं, मगर uncountable में सिर्फ singular जो वर्ब है या नाउन है वो ही यूज होगा. ठीक है. नाउ सी इन द काउंटेबल नाउन आर थिंग्स डेट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड इन नंबर. इसको नंबर्स में हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो ऑलवेज टेक द सिंगुलर वर्ब, मच, लॉट. दिस आर द क्वांटिफायर वी यूज, एंड दिस आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द सम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन डेट वी कैन नॉट काउंट इन नंबर्स. ओके, वी हैव टू काउंट इन द क्वांटिटी और सम amount. Okay, now come to the next part. I have given some example. Now the number noun, the singular and plural numbers are there. So when we are talking about one thing, okay, when you are talking about one person, place or things, so that time we will use the singular singular noun, and when we are talking about more than one person or things, we use the plural noun. Okay, so these are the number nouns. Okay, now come to the next part. So what you have to do, you have to remember each and every rule of you to convert the सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल. सिंगुलर से प्लूरल को चेंज करने के लिए कुछ रूल मैंने यहाँ पे बताए हैं, ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ईच रूल. What is the rules when the letters is there, what the changes we have to do. Okay, you have to learn all the rules here. It will very much important and beneficial for you. Okay, now come to the compound noun. Compound noun, by mistake I put n here. Okay, the compound noun. Compound noun is made with two or more words. It have three different forms. अब ये three different forms में क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ दो वर्ड में हम स्पेस छोड़ते हैं, और दूसरा जो है आपका हाइफेनेटेड, जिसमें हाइफन लगाते हैं ऐसे करके, और तीसरा जो होता है उसमें कोई भी हाइफन और कोई भी स्पेस नहीं होती है. दैट वी कॉल द ओपन और स्पेस, इन विच वी पुट द स्पेस, हाइफनेटेड में हाइफन, एंड क्लोज एंड सॉलिड मीन्स we will not put any hyphen, any spaces there. So these are the three parts of compound noun. Is for your knowledge only, that is not given in your book. Okay, now come to the gender of noun. How many genders are there in noun? There are 4 genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So gender indicate the whether a person or a animal is male or female. Gender का हम यूज़ क्यों करते हैं noun में? ये बताने के लिए कि जो भी चीज़ के बारे में, जिस भी person के बारे में या लोग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, animal के बारे में, वो male है कि female है. ठीक है. So masculine gender, noun that used for man, boys and male animals. Feminine noun that used for women, girls and female animals. And next is the common gender, when we are talking about teacher, student, okay, doctors, these all are come in a common gender noun. Okay, now see, you have some pictures I have given here. So okay, and example I have given here: parents, friend, teacher. सो प्रिंसिपल में हम ये नहीं बोलते कि मेल है कि फीमेल है. प्रिंसिपल मीन्स बोथ the male and the female, both the masculine and the feminine gender came in under this one. Okay, and neuter gender means noun that used for naming lifeless thing. lifeless thing मैंने कि जिसमें जान नहीं होती है. दिस इज मटेरियल एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. मटेरियल में क्या होता है, जो स्टोन है, ओके, आयरन है, इसमें जान होती है, नहीं होती है, नो लाइफ इज देयर. ओके, सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन मीन्स द आइडिया. ओके, सॉरो, इसमें भी कुछ ऐसे हम छू नहीं सकते हैं उसे, ये तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन हुआ. सो हियर द सम एग्जांपल इज हियर, नाइफ, पेंसिल, चेयर, cake, computer, rock, forest. So these are all the example of neuter gender. Okay, so now come to the possessive form that we have learned yesterday itself. So today you will got the video of this maybe. So possessive form is a word that show that someone owns or has something. मतलब वो चीज़ उसकी है, वो चीज़ उसकी है, ये बताने के लिए हम पॉसेसिव नाउन का यूज़ करते हैं. ऑनरशिप या रिलेशनशिप या उसके जो है कि उसकी चीज़ है ये, ठीक है, ये बताने के लिए. और रिलेशनशिप यानी कि ये चीज़ से उसका रिलेशन क्या है, ठीक है, ये उसका बैग है. सो लाइक दिस वी आर शोइंग द ऑनरशिप और रिलेशनशिप by using the possessive form. Okay, some example is given here. Rules of possessive noun is there. We put the apostrophe, the sign is apostrophe is here, and we put the s here. So these are the sign of possessive form. Sometimes we not put s. Where we not put s? When we are talking about the singular noun ending with s. अगर singular noun है और end कर रहा है s में, तो वहाँ पे हम apostrophe लगाएंगे मगर s नहीं लगाएंगे. Okay, understood? So plural noun ending in s, we simply put the apostrophe here. Okay, and a plural noun not ending in s, तो जैसे यहाँ पे mice दिया है, mice लगा के उसको apostrophe s करके लगाएंगे. कब लगाएंगे? जब plural की बात हो रही है, यानी कि बहुत सारी चीज़ों की बात हो रही है. We are talking about more than one things, one person, one animals. In that case we put the simply put the apostrophe and s there. And when we are talking about the plural noun ending in s, यानी कि बहुत सारे लोगों के बात कर रहे हैं, अगर उसमें s आ रहा है तो उसमें s नहीं लगाएंगे, सिर्फ apostrophe लगाएंगे. Okay, understood? So these are the some parts or categories of noun that you have to learn by heart it. So whatever examples are there, maybe some example I will give in from not from your book. Okay, so you have to remember the rules. You have to remember the rules. What is the things, if you learn any parts of noun, what is the rules are given, and how the sentence are changing. Okay, what the changes we have to put. Okay, how we have changed the singular noun to plural noun. Okay, so these are the things you have to learn by heartedly and write all the notes in your grammar copy, because at the starting of 1st October I want to see each student should complete their grammar copy with all the 3 lesson notes. It is very necessary. Why I am saying, क्योंकि अगर आप इसे पूरा लिख के रखेंगे तो ये आपके 5th में, 6th में, 7th तक ये जो है, और उसके बाद भी आपको ये ग्रामर कॉपी काम आएगी. ठीक है, सो डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज़ ए यूजलेस थिंग, नो नीड टू राइट, मैडम तो है नहीं, मैडम तो देखेगी नहीं, और मैडम पूछी भी तो हम बताएंगे नहीं. सो ये मत सोचना बेटा, ये आपके लिए अच्छे के लिए मैं सब ये आपको नोट्स लिख के दे रही हूँ कि अगर कभी सपोज आपको कुछ चीज़ समझ में नहीं आई है, कोई पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सिंपली ओपन योर बुक एंड सी इट, what the rule is there, how you have to change the things accordingly. Okay, so if you do the things and complete your notes with good handwriting, and if you want to show it to me, then you are most welcome. You can send the pics the images of your copy, or make a video of all the 3 lessons, and you can write it down, this lesson number 3 nouns also. I will give the separate PDF of this in this week itself. Okay, so if you want to write, I am scrolling down, so you can able to see each and everything. You can pause it and write it down if you write it down, want to write it down from here itself. Okay, so if any doubt is there, beta, please message me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, don't take lightly all this thing. Grammar is very much important, is a backbone of English. जैसे आपकी बॉडी में बैकबोन अगर नहीं होगा तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्टैंड प्रॉपरली. So this is the things that grammar is also play in English language. Okay, so you have to keep all the things in your mind. Okay, and understand it. If any doubt is there, ask me. Don't simply write it and complete it down one or short in way. You have to see the all the topics and learn, क्योंकि ग्रामर ऐसी चीज़ें हैं कि एक बार में समझ में नहीं आएगी. मैं आपको बार बार बोल रही हूँ, ये एक बार में समझ में नहीं आएगी. इट विल टेक टाइम, बहुत टाइम लगता है इसको समझने के लिए. ये आपको नोट्स में दे रही हूँ, तो छोटे छोटे टॉपिक जो आप निकाल के रखिए कि आज मैं सिंगुलर और प्लूरल नाउन पढ़ूंगा या पढ़ूंगी. ठीक है, लाइक दिस लर्न इट डेली. ओके, सो यू कैन कीप ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. ओके, so these are the your notes. I am scrolling down. You can pause it and write it down. Okay, so all the things that is given here, all the categories you have to learn. Okay students, so write it down, complete your notes, and anytime in all your 5 section, in any time I will select 5 students to I will give some message to them that they have to complete their notes and show it to me, make a video of it and send it to me in my WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you so much.